If you're looking for a new job opportunity as a developer, this is the video that you need to be watching. Right now, I'm about to give you the top states with the most jobs on average for this year of 2024 so far. Okay, so again, this is a great resource for you guys to know exactly how the market is looking like, what are the states that are hiring the most, and again, it gives you a glimpse of what's happening in the industry. So again, let's get started. We're gonna go and look at all of the different states, right? Now, there's 50 states in the United States, right? So we're not gonna cover every single one in this video. So we're gonna cover the top 15, okay? And we're gonna start with the number 15, okay? Number 15 is Arizona, 301 jobs. Okay, so very interesting. Arizona is getting up there. Okay, another one is Tennessee, 319 jobs. Okay, now this is actually a number that's going up as far as new job opportunities. And again, there's gonna be a couple of states that are gonna be popping up that usually didn't have that many jobs, but because of everything that has happened after the pandemic and just politics in general, a lot of companies are leaving some of the biggest states, for example, California and New York City, right? Or New York overall, which used to have thousands and thousands of jobs. Now those jobs are being spread out throughout the country because a lot of companies have left those states. And you're gonna start seeing that in here in this list. Okay, so 14 for Tennessee. Okay, the next one we have right here is Massachusetts. Massachusetts has actually dropped, okay, as far as how many jobs they're getting on average any given week. So it's 324 for Massachusetts. It's actually down. New Jersey is another one that's actually down. New Jersey used to be another of those states because it was close to New York City that will always have like a lot of job opportunities, but it seems like it's down this year. So 382 jobs for New Jersey. Next one that we have coming up in this world is Georgia. Okay, the Peach State. Shout out to everybody in Atlanta, right? Shout out to everybody that's out there in Georgia. I love Georgia. Okay, yes, Georgia's popping up in this world of tech now. Okay, another one is North Carolina, which is now holding number 10. Again, this is the top 10 now, guys. So 441 jobs. And you probably wondering, Joe, is this every single day that there's 441 jobs? Or is it every month? Like, how do you come up with these numbers? Well, I actually went in and looked at the data that was out there as far as all of the different job boards from ZipRecruiter, Indeed.com, Dice.com, and Google Jobs. A lot of times, most of these job boards, they post the same jobs, so I had to go in and filter them. And also, too, I had to go in and actually look at the data, on different dates and different weeks. So this is like an average. Think of it as an average. It could be 10% down or 10% up, but usually it's around this number. Okay, so again, North Carolina, 441 jobs in the top 10 coming up in this world. All right, another one, Illinois. Now, Illinois is one of those states that always was a little bit higher than this, but it has gone down as far as the jobs. And you're starting to see how this thing is actually reflecting, right? 505 jobs, right? Another one, almost damn near tied with Illinois, is Ohio. And actually, Ohio has been going up, okay, by a long shot, right? Ohio used to be one of those states that didn't have a lot of jobs for developers. Like, there was opportunities, but they would usually be like in the top 25, top 30 of the states. Now it's up to number 8. So again, you're seeing a lot of these companies that are going from other parts of the country and now moving to states like Ohio, where there's a lot of opportunities for growth as a business. So again, another one is Maryland. We now see that DMV area is very hot right now, right? So again, Maryland, 612 jobs. Okay, the next one, Pennsylvania. Okay, the East Coast, Pennsylvania is coming up in this world too. 612 jobs on average, right? So Maryland and Pennsylvania, they have around the same range. Okay, New York, down big time. Okay, for those of you guys that haven't been paying attention, politics and just everything that's happening in New York City right now, a lot of companies are leaving New York. Okay, a lot of new businesses are deciding not to start it in New York City. They're decided to start it in smaller cities and states throughout the whole country, right? But people are expanding. So this powerhouse where it used to be New York City used to be like number 2, California number 1, and it used to be like back and forth. That's gone. Okay, so again, these are a good numbers, but it's not like how it used to be. Okay, I'm telling you guys, I've been doing this since 2011, and I can tell you that for New York City to be in number 5 is not a good look. Okay, the next one, Florida. You know what I'm saying? Florida, my state, my new state. I'm a New Yorker, but now we in Florida. And the reason for it. Okay, it's nice out here. You get to be outside, right? As far as politics, like shit, everything's open. Let's just say. Okay, so Florida is great for new businesses. Florida also too has a lot of opportunities for growth. You have the city of Miami, which is pretty much the new New York City. Again, you also have Tampa, which now is basically like a tech hub here in the South. You also have Jacksonville, right? And of course, Orlando. So again, there's a lot of opportunities here in this one state. There's multiple cities that have a lot of jobs and opportunities. So yeah, Florida has came up in this world, right? And the actual salaries are going up too. Because I remember years ago, when I first started, getting into this world of development, Florida used to have like $40,000 senior web developer jobs. Like now the numbers have gone up. Now it's not at the same level as New York City where you might see a $150,000 job for a senior, I don't know, PHP developer, senior Node.js developer, etc. Right? You're not gonna see that same ranges, but shoot, a 90, 100, 110,000, you're gonna start seeing that now here in Florida. And if you Miami, you will see the 150 and up. Okay, so yes, there's a lot of opportunities here in Florida, and hey, man, Florida, we out here. Now, of course, no surprise. Texas, right? Just like I said from the beginning, a lot of those companies that were in California, a lot of companies switch over to Texas, Florida, right? And a couple of other states in the East Coast. So as you can see, there's a lot of movement here and a lot of opportunities on Texas, okay? So that Dallas, Austin, Houston, like, yes, it's lit out there. Okay, the next one that we have right here is Virginia. Okay, and that's number 2, surprisingly, right? Virginia on average is having 1,363 jobs. There's a lot of opportunities popping up in that DMV area, right? Washington, D.C., Maryland, Virginia. Like there's a lot of opportunities in that whole little zone right there. That's where the government is. 2 new companies are popping up over there. And again, more companies are hiring within that area. Okay. Now, to no surprise, the number 1 still California. Okay. California holding it down for web developer jobs. Okay. Again, we've looked through all types of keywords from JavaScript to HTML, CSS, right? React, right? Node.js, PHP, like this is like the average, guys. Like there's a lot of opportunities for developers in California. It's no surprise. It's the tech hub, right? That's where you see all the big tech companies at. Also, too, you see a lot of e-commerce businesses that are based in California. So again, those are the companies that's hiring the most developers. So again, there's a lot of opportunity. So when you see people say, man, the industry's saturated, there's no jobs, there's jobs. It's just there might not be jobs for you because you're not ready. There might be jobs for you because you're not actually preparing yourself, to be able to sell yourself as a professional. Maybe you don't have the skills yet. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, you're just not there yet, but the jobs are there. Okay. So again, guys, if you like this type of content, definitely give me a like, show me some love in the comment section, subscribe to the channel. And again, I want to go in and let you guys know about CodingPhase.com. Okay. We take our time to teach people skills without having to waste your time, okay? We don't teach coding as a hobby, right? Learn skills that are actually worth learning. So if you want to get a job, you want to get into this industry, this is what we do. We focus specifically on helping people getting into their first job, okay? And then from there, help you and guide you through your career. So again, come check it out. Literally, it costs you nothing to come check out the website. Okay, links is going to be in the description. Go check it out. We have a lot of cool career paths, which again are for your benefit. Okay, we're not teaching every single thing that everybody else is teaching that is going to, be part of the competition and the zombie horde, right? We're going to teach you things that you can actually go in and get results. Things like content editor, email developer, right? PHP developer, Shopify theme developer. Those are things that, guess what? There's a high demand for, but low competition. So if you're interested in that, come check out CodingPhase.com. The diamond membership is there, guys. Take advantage. Trust me, it's worth the price, and also to the fact that you get, access to me, access to the platform, all of the courses on CodingPhase.com, and you have accountability meetings with me every single Monday. By the way, today is Monday, right? April 15th, right? So yes, every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern time, we have accountability meetings. I review your portfolio, I look at your projects, right? And I help you out and guide you through this whole process. Now, for anybody that's interested in building their portfolio, either you're learning from me or you're learning from any other platform, you guys got to check out the Developer Portfolio Blueprint, okay? This is the #1 course to help you build your portfolio. And it's literally $20. It's one-time payment. You pay $20 and you get access to all of the videos teaching you how to build a solid portfolio. Take your portfolio from being a meh to being a wow. You get what I'm saying? So definitely go check it out. And again, this is where we're going to be doing a lot of portfolio reviews. So those portfolio reviews that you see here on YouTube, we're going to be doing them exclusively for anyone that does the portfolio blueprint. So again, you get to learn how to build your portfolio, and you can also request for me to go in and review your portfolio, and I'll make a video for you breaking down what's wrong with your portfolio and where you can improve it. Okay, so again, my job here is to help you and guide you in this journey. So if you're interested in this, go check out the links in the description. But again, look at the list. There's a lot of jobs out there, but it's very interesting seeing what's happening, right? A lot of opportunities have moved to other states, right? And we're starting to see the ripple effects of everything that happened in the last pandemic, and, just the political atmosphere right now and just the environment that we're in right now. Okay, so there you go. The top 15 places to start applying for, okay, with the most jobs. So I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Joe, back at it again, codingphase.com. Peace.